Ready to dive into the exhilarating, chaotic, and often bizarre world of entrepreneurship? If you're not scared and still here, this video is just for you. Whether you're daydreaming about becoming the next Elon Musk or want to know what it takes to make it big, you've landed in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the secret ingredients that make up the recipe for entrepreneurial success. So, buckle up, grab your favorite snack, because snacks make everything better, and dive into the juicy details of what makes successful entrepreneurs tick. Let's get started. Let's get into one of the most exciting parts of being an entrepreneur: innovation. It's like the heartbeat of any successful business. Innovation isn't just about developing new products. It's about finding creative solutions to real problems. It's about seeing the world differently and imagining what could be rather than just accepting what is. Think about Steve Jobs and the iPhone. Before the iPhone, we didn't even know we needed it. But now, can you imagine life without it? That's the power of innovation. It's not just about filling existing needs. Sometimes, it's about creating new ones. The best innovations often come from looking at everyday problems and saying, there has to be a better way. But innovation isn't just for geniuses or Silicon Valley moguls. It's for anyone who can look at a problem and think, how can I improve this? Whether you invent a new gadget, improve a service, or just find a more efficient way to do something, innovation is about adding value. It's about making people's lives easier, better, or more enjoyable. And here's a little secret. Innovation doesn't always have to be groundbreaking. Sometimes small tweaks make a big difference. It's like finding a more comfortable chair or a faster way to make coffee. It might not change the world, but it can make someone's day a little brighter, and that's a success in my eyes. Thanks for watching. If you're excited about finding remote work with no experience, don't miss the video on the screen. In it, you'll find real opportunities that pay well and fit into any lifestyle. No experience required. Hit play to discover the remote job that could be your next big career move. Until next time.